Hi guys, it's Tony bringing another description. Today we're looking at Tesco custard creams, crunchy and smooth, carefully baked to that classic recipe with a delicate vanilla flavouring. Alright, so this is 400 grams, that's what's on the back. Alright, okay, let's get out these. So inside you've got about quite a few, 20-30 biscuits, and each custard cream, oh, there's a vanilla. So taste wise, not bad, just tastes like any other custard cream really. I was going to say, if you had one you got more, but yeah, it's okay. As I say, this was given to me, this bag of custard creams. Would I buy them? Not really. Possibly, but I'm not a great fan, but I just thought I'd show you them anyway. Anyway guys, thanks very much for coming along as usual. See you all in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, helps me out, it really does, and just gives me more of a spur on to do some more videos. Thanks, and I'll catch you later.